Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively from the beginning of the semester. First, gather all your syllabi and mark down every important date. This includes exams, projects, and assignment due dates. Then, create a comprehensive study schedule, dedicating specific time slots for each course. This proactive approach helps you stay organized and reduces stress throughout the term. Next, make the most of your class time. Attend every lecture and engage with the material by asking thoughtful questions. When taking notes, focus on capturing the main ideas and important details. It's crucial to review your notes within one day of the lecture. This significantly improves retention and helps solidify new information in your memory. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. Regularly quiz yourself on the material, perhaps using flashcards or working through practice problems. Consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others can deepen your own understanding. Remember to break down larger assignments into smaller, more manageable parts, making the workload feel less daunting. Finally, don't forget the importance of self-care. Prioritize getting enough sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours each night, to keep your mind sharp. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Be flexible with your study plan, adjust it as the semester progresses and new demands arise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.